I am taking $500 and turning it into $1 million in 1 year. And I am taking you with me on the journey. Hi, I am Sophie Michel, and this is week 3 of this challenge that I gave myself. So first, let's look at the numbers. Last week we had $655, and this week I have $757, which is exactly on par, a little bit ahead of what my plan is. Of course, I have not lost any money. So how do I make money speculating on cryptocurrency and don't lose any? In this video, I will share the 5 things to do in order to not lose any money. I will give you one extra bonus step that I have been doing that is super easy and makes my money grow. So if you want to learn that, watch until the end. Before I go any further, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified for the next video and hit the like button so that other people can find this video as well. The first thing you're going to want to do is build your muscle for patience. Crypto trading is the opposite of the saying what goes up must come down. In crypto, when you invest in things that everyone is talking about, at some point you can expect it to go up. So the key here is patience. You need patience, especially when the prices are going down and you have already bought some coins, or the prices are going up and you have not bought any coins. Cryptocurrencies are very volatile and things can change with one tweet from one well-known person, as we have seen it in the recent weeks. And watch out, because I feel more are coming. One great advice that I was given when I started was to only put in what I am willing to lose. And I recommend you only put in what you're willing to not touch for a while. Okay, that's how I see it. So if you put 1,000, make sure you are not willing to touch that 1,000 for as long as it takes to get a nice return on it. Deal? The second thing to do is watch what you are saying. While you are waiting, only speak the things you want to see become a reality, or you may not like what you're going to see. I know this is woo-woo stuff, but it works. And of course, you also need to watch your thoughts. And if your thoughts are not going in the direction that you wish to go into, you need to change your thoughts. Because the market is so volatile, nothing is going to stay the way it is. So you are good. If this is your first time investing in anything, like me, you may think that your lack of experience is holding you back, or maybe you don't know all the tricks. But the truth is, it's the opposite. You don't have any bad habits. So you are in a much better place than someone who has years of experience in stock trading or even real estate investing. The third thing you need to do is get excited. Oh yes, but do not be foolish. I have seen people lose money for 2 reasons. One, they borrowed money when they were not sure. And that's the foolish part, not being sure. I will cover borrowing money and using leverage to make more money in crypto further down the line when I have more experience in it. The second reason that I see people lose money in crypto is that they give up too quickly. Listen, I heard that when Bitcoin started a little bit over 10 years ago, it was around 8 cents. As of today, the price is floating around $48,000. Okay, that's 600,000% growth in a little over 10 years. See what I'm saying? Is the value of your house going to grow 600,000% in 10 years? Well, if so, please tell me where you live. I need to go by there, right? So really, if you're holding on to your investment, there is no losing. In fact, I can go as far as saying that losing anything is always an illusion. It is not true. If you are in it to win it, you will take what other people can see as a loss as a huge gain. You may have gained experience, knowledge, wisdom, or potential growth. There is no loss. Okay, I'm going to take that back. There's one sure way to lose, and that is by not taking any action. Not doing anything about investing in crypto is a sure way to lose money. If you have been watching me, or if you've been watching the market, or anyone else who talk about crypto investing, then what are you waiting for? Jump in, do it. Start with a little bit of money and then go see what works for you or not. The fourth thing to do is use the systems that wonderful people have created for you. On exchanges meant for day trading, you will find something called a stop loss. This tells the system that if the price goes down even by a small amount, whatever amount you say, it needs to sell the amount of coins that you have. Obviously, that's not my favorite tactic because I prefer to hold it. But the real reason why some people may want to use this is in case they have borrowed money for a short-term gain. Then they want to use a stop loss, okay? Do your research. There are lots of people making great money in the market right now. And while it is tempting to follow them, please understand that they are not necessarily in the same situation as you are. They may have millions of dollars to back them up. And losing $50,000 may not be a big deal to them. But to you, it may be. So pay attention to what they say because that may be great information, and then go do your own research. I have only been doing this for 3 weeks and I already know where to get information and from whom. So you can too. It's very easy. There are so many places where you can get free information. And if, like me, you are intuitive, trust your intuition. Even if the market says don't buy or don't sell, but something inside of you says do it, go for it, you may have to hold on to the coin a little longer than you thought, but I promise that your intuition does not lie, okay? It will serve you well. The fifth thing to do is to date more than one person at the same time. No, I'm not kidding actually. Really not. What I mean is don't put all of your money into one coin. I know some coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum are very sexy right now, so attractive, but they are as volatile as any of the other coins. I know small coins seem more volatile, but it's not necessarily the case. Split your money into other assets. I think they call that diversify. If you heard of a coin that is not sold on your exchange, don't let that stop you. Go to coinmarketcap.com and check out which exchange sells the coin that you want, because there are so many exchanges, so there are a lot of places to buy coins. All right, here's my bonus tip. The easiest way to not lose money. Make sure that you track it. I have several spreadsheets outside of exchanges that show what I have and what I want to make. It forces me to not sell anything until I have reached the rate of return that I'm looking for. This means that I don't let the market or the online excitement guide me. My plan guides me. I know that I only have a few weeks of experience, but this is the one key that I used for anything in my life. And this is how I have created a very thriving consulting business. Planning ahead and following your plan, not the market, not what people say, is what will not only make you the most money, but also give you peace. I am not willing to have an ulcer, so I will stick to my plan. All right, that's it for today. Please comment below with any questions that you may have because I can ask them to people that I know. And don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next week.